Hey everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how we can recover our password of Facebook. So let's jump into the video. First of all, you need to search Facebook app. Then click on it. At the profile section, you will see a setting option right here. Click on it. Then you will see setting and privacy option at the top. Then here you will find personal and account information. Click on it, then you will land on this section. Here you will see name option and contact info. Add contact info, click on it. Here is option add contact number. Click on it. Paste here contact number. So it will take a while. Wait for it. So wait for it. So if you didn't land on this page, then what you do is to get a code that will be sent on the number that you have inserted right before. Copy that code and paste it here. Then you will see this option. This means now the new contact number has been added to your Facebook account. Then close it. Now what you do is that log out from this device. So now what you do is to click on the login in another account. Paste the new contact number that you have added before. And click on forget password. So enter the number. Now paste the new contact number that you had added before. Facebook automatically finds the account that are associated with your contact number. Then click on the account that you want to recover. There you will see an option like send a code or link via SMS. Then click on this number. A code will be sent here, so wait for it. So already code has been added and it is logged into the another page. So here you will see an option to create a new password. So now continue. If you have forgotten your email address, you don't have access to your contact number, but the account is logged in on your device, then you can recover your password. I hope you got the idea. Thank you.